Composition and framing. One of the fundamental aspects of creating captivating visuals is composition and framing. It's about how you position and arrange the elements within your frame. Let's discover some tricks to master this art. Rule of thirds. The rule of thirds is a classic technique that involves dividing your frame into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. By placing your subject along these lines or at their intersections, you can create a visually pleasing and balanced composition. Leading lines. Leading lines are elements within your frame that guide the viewer's eyes toward the subject. Look for natural or man-made lines, such as roads, fences, or even the curves of a river, and incorporate them into your composition to add depth and draw attention to your subject. Framing. Framing is all about using objects in your environment to frame your subject. All about using objects